Do you have the same question? Why do people in your niche get millions of views without using hashtags, but you have to? And even if you add hashtags, you still can't get good views? That's what I wondered before, but now I have the answer and can easily create popular content. If you also want to know, keep watching. I will show you how the TikTok algorithm actually works and help you start getting more views and followers. First, why are hashtags important? The answer lies in how the TikTok algorithm works and where you are in your creator journey. The algorithm is always trying to show your videos to the people most likely to watch them. It uses machine learning to analyze user behavior and interests, figuring out who will love your content based on what they've watched before. But here's the catch. When you're a smaller creator, TikTok doesn't know your audience yet. That's where hashtags come in. They're like little signals that tell the algorithm, hey, this video is about fitness, or this is for dog lovers. They help TikTok categorize your content and show it to the right people. But for bigger creators, say those with 20,000 followers or more, the algorithm already knows their audience. It's learned who their viewers are through consistent content and engagement, so hashtags become less important. That's why they can skip them and still go viral, while you might need them to get discovered. Now, you might be thinking, okay, but I'm using hashtags, and I'm still not getting views. What gives? That's because hashtags alone aren't enough. The TikTok algorithm prioritizes one thing above all else: watch time. If your videos don't keep people watching, it doesn't matter how many hashtags you use. You'll get stuck in low view jail. TikTok gives every video a small sample audience of 200 to 300 views to test how it performs. If people watch your video all the way through, engage with it or re-watch it, the algorithm says, this is a good video, and pushes it to more people. But if viewers swipe away after a few seconds, TikTok assumes your content isn't worth showing to more people, and your views stall. So the real secret isn't just about hashtags, it's about creating videos that people can't stop watching. Don't worry, TikTok is very friendly to content creators. Even brand new creators with 0 followers can go viral if their video performs well in TikTok initial sample audiences. So, how do you make sure your videos pass the test and get pushed to more people? Let's break it down into 3 simple steps that'll help you hook viewers and keep them watching. Step 1. Know your audience and send the right signals. First, you need to get crystal clear on who your videos are for. If you're making content about random topics for different types of people, the algorithm won't know who to show it to, and you'll get a lot of swipe-aways. Pick a niche, whether it's gaming, cooking, or fitness, and stick to it. If you want to test which niche you are more suitable for, or you just need a lot of niche, then create more TikTok accounts to keep the niche consistent and achieve faster growth in each field. In order to avoid being banned, in the next video, I will specifically explain how to manage multiple TikTok accounts and avoid being banned. You know, each account is a valuable asset. I use the anti-detection tool, More Login, to manage them. Each TikTok account is equipped with a separate environment and IP. No problem so far. If you are interested, click the link below the video to register for a 2-week free trial of 150 profiles. Then, use every tool TikTok gives you to tell the algorithm what your content is about. Hashtags are a great start, but don't stop there. Use keywords in your video description, add text on the screen, and even say the right words in your video. For example, if you're making a video for beginner photographers, say things like "photography tips for beginners," and add text on the screen that says the same thing. The algorithm picks up on these signals and shows your video to people who are interested in that topic. Step 2. Hook viewers in the first 3 seconds. The next step is to stop people from scrolling past your video. The first 3 seconds are make or break on TikTok. If you don't grab attention right away, viewers will swipe to the next video, and your watch time will tank. To create a killer hook, use a mix of verbal, visual, and text-based elements. Start with a question or bold statement, like, "Want to double your TikTok views?" and add text on the screen that says the same thing. You can also use movement, like a quick camera zoom, or something eye-catching in the background to make people stop and watch. The goal is to make them think, "This video is for me, I need to keep watching." Step 3, keep them watching with high retention. Once you've hooked them, you need to keep them watching until the end. Shorter videos, under 30 seconds, are easier to get 100% watch time on, which is what the algorithm loves. Cut out any fluff, get to the point fast, and avoid long intros. You can also use storytelling tricks to keep viewers engaged. For example, try the "but therefore" method. Instead of saying, "I did this, then this," say, "I tried this, but it failed, therefore I did this instead." It keeps the story moving and holds attention. Another tip, use lists like 3 ways to grow on TikTok, because people love knowing what's coming and will stick around to hear all the points. Now that you know these steps, let's circle back to hashtags. If you're a smaller creator, keep your niche consistent and use the tools in my description to manage multiple accounts. As you grow and your content gets more consistent, you'll notice hashtags matter less because the algorithm will already know who to show your videos to. And here's a bonus tip. Study your successful videos and other creators in your niche. Look at the videos that got more views than usual. What topics, hooks, or formats did they use? Make more content like that, and you'll start breaking out of the low-view jail. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more TikTok growth tips, and watch this next video where I share why TikTok will be blocked and how to avoid it, which will make your account safer. And remember, don't hurry, don't compare yourself to others. Keep working on your craft and you'll make it big one day.